Ever feel like everyone on your social media feed agrees with you? Like you're living in a world where your opinions are constantly being validated? While it might feel good in the moment, it could be a sign you're trapped in a social media bubble, or what's often called an echo chamber. What are social media bubbles and echo chambers? Think of it like this. Imagine you're at a party, but instead of mingling with everyone, you're only talking to people who share your exact same interests and beliefs. You hear the same jokes, the same stories, the same opinions over and over again. That's essentially what happens in an online echo chamber. Social media platforms use complex algorithms to personalize your experience. These algorithms track everything you do online, what you like, what you share, who you follow, and then show you content they think you'll be interested in. This often means you see posts from people who think like you, reinforcing your existing beliefs and filtering out dissenting opinions. This creates a filter bubble around you, limiting your exposure to diverse perspectives. When this bubble reinforces existing biases, it becomes an echo chamber. How do they work? These algorithms aren't intentionally trying to isolate you. Their goal is to keep you engaged on the platform. By showing you content you agree with, they keep you scrolling, clicking, and sharing. It's a business model, not a conspiracy. However, the unintended consequence is the creation of these echo chambers. Here's a breakdown. Personalized feeds. Social media feeds are tailored to each user. What you see is vastly different from what someone else sees. Selective exposure. We tend to follow and interact with people who share our views, further reinforcing the bubble. Algorithm reinforcement. The algorithms prioritize content that generates engagement, which often means showing us more of what we already agree with. The dangers of living in a bubble. Living in an echo chamber can have some serious downsides. Increased polarization. When you're only exposed to one side of an issue, your views become more extreme. This makes it harder to have constructive conversations with people who have different opinions. Reinforcement of misinformation. False or misleading information can spread rapidly within echo chambers because it's not being challenged. This can lead people to believe things that simply aren't true. Decreased tolerance. When you're not exposed to diverse perspectives, you become less tolerant of people who are different from you. This can contribute to social division and conflict. In an echo chamber, you're rarely forced to defend your beliefs or consider alternative viewpoints. This can hinder your ability to think critically and make informed decisions. Breaking out of the bubble. So how can you escape this online echo chamber? Here are a few tips. Diversify your sources. Follow people and organizations with different viewpoints. Read news from different sources, even those you disagree with. Engage in respectful dialogue. When you encounter differing opinions, try to engage in respectful conversation instead of dismissing them outright. Be mindful of algorithms. Remember that algorithms are shaping your online experience. Don't take everything you see at face value. Use incognito mode or VPNs. Occasionally browsing in incognito mode or using a VPN can give you a glimpse of what others are seeing. Seek out offline interactions. Don't rely solely on online interactions. Engage with people in your community who have diverse backgrounds and perspectives. Breaking out of the bubble isn't always easy, but it's crucial for fostering open-mindedness, critical thinking, and a healthy democracy. By actively seeking out diverse perspectives, we can create a more informed and connected society.